How's it going, guys? Dylan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch scenes with JavaFX when you are using a controller. So this is what it's going to look like. We have scene 1 here, and then you'll be able to click a button and go over to scene 2. So let's go ahead and get into how it works. Alrighty guys, so the first thing that we need to do, if you have not done so already, is to have two scenes, or in my case, two fxml files already set up that you are going to be switching between. So you can see mine here. I have scene 1 and scene 2 set up in Scene Builder, and you want to make sure that whichever one you want to be your home page or your default page is being loaded here as this root, so that way that one gets loaded automatically at the beginning. So now we want to go over to our controller class, and you can see I've already connected my two buttons from my scenes to my controller. So if you haven't done that, do that now. But now we can write our action handling methods for the buttons. So I'm going to do button 1 first, which is on scene 1 and will be used to switch to scene 2. So we can just write public void, because it's not going to return anything, handle button 1, and we don't need any parameters, and we can just throw some curly brackets on there. So the first thing that we need to do is load the second fxml file. Now you don't need to do this if you aren't using fxml files, but since I am, I will show you how to do that. So we can just go ahead and copy this line of code right here with Control-C and paste that in. Now it's going to give you this little message here. It expects you to throw an exception in case it can't find the file. So we're just going to add that here to the method header, throws exception. So that'll take care of that. And then we just want to make sure we load the seed that we're using the button to change to. So after that, we need to get the window that our program is using, because the window was, or this stage here, was declared in this file, and we don't have access to it in the controller file. But we have a pretty easy way of getting that. So we're just going to say stage window, and I need to import stage here. Stage window is equal to, and I'll just take the button that was clicked, so button scene 1 dot get scene, just like that, dot get window, and we want it to be a window, so we need to typecast it as a window, like so. Of course, we want that to be a stage. I don't know why they call it stage. I like window better, but it doesn't matter. And then we can say window dot set scene new scene, and we'll call that root, and then just do your dimensions like so. Those are the ones that I used, and we need to import scene, so like so. And then if I just go down to my controller and add on action to my button, I can add handle button 1, save that, and if I try to run it, good, no errors. And if I click this button, we'll change to scene 2. And so let's go ahead and set up this button right here. And as you guys can see, I pretty much just copied and pasted the first one, changed the name, made sure I was loading the original page to go back to, and I changed that to button 2 just in case. So if we try that out, now we can flawlessly switch between the scenes. Alrighty guys, so that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully it was helpful, and you can expand this to use it however you want, change between however many scenes you want. And if you liked the video, please smash that like button and subscribe for more, and I will catch you in the next one.